Hi guys, very good afternoon. My name is Pankaj Lohia, and right now I am with you. I just thought that I should share something very special for you after a long time. And so this is my place, and you can see the beautiful locations behind me. And slowly, I'm just moving my camera, and you'll just go through the entire location over here. So this is the beautiful video, guys. This is the beautiful vlog that I'm just creating for you right now, and I'm just hoping that you'll be enjoying this beautiful video, and you can also share this beautiful video to anyone. Okay, slowly, I'm just moving the camera over here. So this is the location, which is called Nankudi village, and it's been almost 1.5 months over here since I came from Gurgaon, and I'm just thinking to go back to Gurgaon very soon as possible. All right. So I just want to show you something very. Can you see this location is called Salyadi, where lots of people they go there with goats and oxes, cows, right? They graze grass over there. The entire location you can go through over here. This is Uttarakhand, the abode of God, the land of God, right? Beautiful greeneries over here you can go through, the flowers. Can you see, guys? And slowly I'm just moving ahead so that I can show you the beautiful scenes from here. There is a river out there. The flow of water is very fast over here, and the level of water is also very it is, I mean, plenty of water is there because of the rainy season, because it's been a long time the rain is not continue, but sometimes it rains over here, but not too much. But when it rains cats and dogs very heavily. Yeah, here you can go, the hen, black hen. Right, can you see upper location? This is very beautiful house, isn't it? Wow, beautiful scene. Here you go. And this is the syntax. This is 500 liter of syntax. You know, the level of water inside. Let me just check how much water is there. Wow, it is already full. It's 500 liter, guys. And this syntax is provided by the pradhan of our village, who has really done an amazing work for villagers, and we hope that again in future he will continue to do more and more great works for the villagers. Yeah, so you can see one more time uh, my face. Wow, great, superb, fantastic. There is a lady standing just in front of the house, and she is, I don't know where she's going to go right now. All right, fantastic, super. Okay, guys, I will see you later on with the very beautiful video. Till then, take care and bye bye.